Righto guys, looks like the time has come. I am going to be doing some improvements to the performance of my R36 Passat. And that will be in the form of some boost. I've been having a look around at some S4 B5 wagons, or Avant, Avant in Audi, and Variant obviously in a Volkswagen wagon. And yeah, love them, love every bit of them. Don't really dig the sedans too much. But yeah, basically that's left me going, I want a wagon, I want boost. So 36 is getting some boost. I'm not going to use a kit. There's a handful of kits out there for turbo 24 valve VR6s. Not real interested in them. They all seem to be really expensive for what they are, and I'm probably going to regret saying that, because after I fabricate them, well, not me personally, but a guy I know, 10 points whoever gets where that movie's from, that line. Yeah, essentially after fabricating them, I think that I'll be able to do it cheaper than some of the kits that are available. There's, I think, a HPA and a few other brands that do kits for these cars, but they all are, I feel, ridiculously expensive, and there's not a great deal of information on, like a vlog or a whole write-up on who's used what parts and what does it come with, what does it not come with, what did you have to cut, what did you not have to cut, all that sort of stuff. So the idea is that I'm going to use this opportunity to detail every step and every stage of how to turbocharge something this late model with a VR6 in it, essentially. Lots of people do a VR6 conversion, add some boost to it, decompression plate, all that sort of stuff. I've had a chat with the my local tuner, who's a VAG specialist. Yeah, every time I go there, there's like twin turbo Audi R8s and all this crazy shit. So I'm like, okay, well, this guy must know what he's doing. And he doesn't think that we'll need to decompress the head or anything like that. The standard motor will be fine with a moderate amount, say 10 to maybe 1 bar of boost, 10 psi to 1 bar, so around that 10 to 15 psi at the most, depending on how aggressive we are with the timing, and also what sort of fuel we're going to use. So I don't know whether or not we're going to be using 98 or E85. E85 is pretty common now, so we'll see how we go. But I am going to need you guys to help me. I'm going to need some subscribes, I'm going to need some likes, I'm going to need some shares in order to get this thing off the ground. So I'm going to start buying parts now. And I've also got a Patreon page that I've set up as well, if you wanted to sponsor that or donate, however it works. It's my first time. I don't really know what to do with my hands. Another line, if you get what movie that's from as well, I don't know what to do with my hands. There's a prize coming your way. And I'm not kidding either, I'm doing some merchandise as well for that car channel. So yeah, look, keep on the lookout for some t-shirts as well. I'm going to be linking them in the description below. At some point I need to get onto that and actually put that in the description, but I'm going to be uploading this video tonight. So turbocharged 3.6 litre R36, it's going to be cool. Alright, thanks guys.